Good morning. I am Dr. Anupama Labhe and we will continue our secretary practice for second sem. Okay. We already discussed the incorporation of companies. So we skip that chapter and straightway we start our next topic, that is conversion of a company. First we will discuss the conversion of private company into public company, and afterwards we will discuss regarding the conversion of public company into private company. So let us start with the first conversion, that is private company into public company. All of you know that private company have some special privileges which make it different from a public company. Okay. So if you want to convert your private company into a public company, some alteration must be made in your articles, and for that purpose you have to pass sometimes a special resolution and many times the ordinary resolution. So let us see what are the steps which are to be taken for conversion of a private company into a public company. First, it can be converted by default. What do you mean by conversion by default? As I said you, private company enjoys some privileges under section 2 of subsection 68. If they overrule this section, then automatically it gets converted into a public company. So it is known as conversion by default. For example, जैसे कि हम लोग बोल सकते हैं कि क्या क्या हो सकते हैं डिफॉल्ट कन्वर्शन. What are the special privileges which it enjoys under section 2 subsection 68? The special privileges are, जैसे कि क्या क्या होता है यहाँ पे आर्टिकल्स में, ये restricts करता है. What is the restrictions on private company to invite the general public for deposits or to purchase the share? It restricts the company from accepting the deposits from the general public. ठीक है? दूसरा, it cannot issue its shares to the general public. लेकिन if the company makes default in such privileges or makes defaults on such restrictions, then it automatically gets converted into a public company. So this is the type of conversion by default. Then conversion by choice. Conversion by choice means the management or the board of directors takes the decision to convert this private company into a public company, and that is by choice. That means they decide at the board meeting that to get its private company into a public company. क्या क्या होता है? If by choice, what they have to do? First they have to call the board meeting, and calling and holding of board meeting. For taking any decision regarding the company, the board of directors have to call the meeting, and that meeting is called board meeting. बराबर है? तो for deciding whether to convert the private company into a public company, that decision is taken in board meeting, and what type of resolution it has to pass at the general meeting is also considered. That means the pro forma of passing the resolution is decided at the board meeting. Okay, and for that purpose, the board meeting is conducted. It decides the resolution, it decides the time, it decides the place of conducting the meeting. Okay. Then second is passing resolution. In board meeting they decide the pro forma of passing of the resolution, and in the general meeting actually the resolution is passed for converting the private company into a public company. Then it has to pass a special resolution to delete restrictions, limitations and prohibitions in articles in terms of section 2 subsection 68. क्या है? It has to pass the special resolution. For what purpose it has to pass the special resolution? For deleting the restriction which are imposed on it according to section 2 of subsection 68. That means the privileges which are enjoyed by the private company are deleted by passing such a special resolution. Okay, then ordinary resolution is to be passed to appoint at least one director. Let us see, क्या है ordinary resolution the company has to pass. Why it has to pass the ordinary resolution for appointment of directors? If the company, that means a private company, can incorporate by having only 2 directors, बराबर है? 2 directors are necessary for incorporating the private company. But for incorporating the public company, it needs at least 3 directors. And if the company has only 2 directors, then it has to appoint additionally the 1 director to treat its company as a public company. बराबर है? For that purpose, the ordinary resolution has to be passed at the general meeting to appoint at least 1 director when the number of directors are less than 3. Then ordinary resolution to delete the word private from its name. बराबर है? The company, that means the private company, has compulsorily include the word private in its name. That means ABC Private Limited Company. And in case of public limited company, there is no need to add the public word in its name. But it is compulsory for the private company to have a private word in its name. Now, when it wants to convert its company into a public company, there is no need of this word, that is the private. So, the ordinary resolution has to be passed at the general meeting to delete the word private from its name. For example, if it is a ABC Private Limited Company, then the resolution is passed to delete the name private and it can continue its name with ABC Limited Company. ठीक है? So what they had done, they only deleted the word private from its name. And for that purpose, it has to pass the ordinary resolution. Then alteration in the articles. Alteration in the articles, why it is needed? Because the articles of private company restricts the company from accepting the deposits from the general public, from issuing shares to the public company, and then not exceeding its number of members to 200. These are all the restrictions which are imposed on the private company in its articles. बराबर है? So it has to first alter its articles for converting its private company into a public company. So alteration in the articles, accordingly they have to frame the articles which the public company needs. Then increasing the members. As I said you, private company needs only 2 members and public company needs 7 members. If the number of members of a private company are less than 7, then it has to take steps to increase its number of members to 7. बराबर है? If number of members are less than 7, then the steps are taken by the private company to make it 7. ठीक है? तो increasing the members up to at least up to 7. Then increasing number of directors. ठीक है? 2 है तो उसके लिए कितना करना पड़ेगा? At least 3 number of directors they have in their company. Then filing the documents to the registrar. ये जो पूरे के पूरे resolutions which are passed, the altered copy of the articles must be filed with the registrar within 50 days from 15 days from passing of such a resolutions. ठीक है? ये resolution pass हो रहा है यहाँ पे general meeting में, and from the date of passing such a resolution, the secretary has to take steps to file these documents with the registrar of the company. So what types of documents must be filed with the registrar? That is a copy of special resolution passed at general meeting. Where we have passed the special resolution, the special resolution is passed to delete the restrictions which are imposed under section 2 subsection 68. Okay. So ये जो resolution which is passed at general meeting must be filed with the registrar. Then second is printed copy of altered articles. As I said you, it has to alter its articles because the articles of private limited company and public limited company are different. बराबर है? Because private limited company's articles restricts put some restrictions on the company such as non-accepting the deposits, transferring the shares, etc. So it has to alter its articles and the printed copy of such altered articles must be filed with the registrar. Then cessation of private company. At the time when it alters its articles, it ceases to be a private company. जैसे ही उन्होंने अपने आर्टिकल्स में चेंजेस लाए हैं and it has filed these altered articles with the registrar, from that time it ceases to be a private company. Then deletion of word private from the name of company. Now the precaution must be taken by the secretary or the board of directors to change the name of the private company. That is, it must delete the word private from the name of the company, and wherever or whenever it has put the name or it has incorporated the name private, it must be changed by the company. For example, जैसे कि जो documents होते हैं important, for example letter head से, deed से, जहाँ पे word private word ये word use किया हुआ था, from all these documents it has to remove the word private. ठीक है? Then क्या है? ये पूरा का पूरा जब हो जाता है, then only the registrar issues the certificate to the company regarding the public limited company. Now it is treated that the the private company is now becomes a public limited company. Is it clear? Let us revise. Okay. क्या क्या है? चलो सबसे पहले कन्वर्शन. कैसे कन्वर्शन होता है पब्लिक कंपनी इनटू प्राइवेट कंपनी एंड प्राइवेट कंपनी इनटू पब्लिक कंपनी? जब हम लोग प्राइवेट कंपनी से पब्लिक लिमिटेड कंपनी में जाते हैं तो देयर इज नो नीड टू टेक द अप्रूवल फ्रॉम सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. ठीक है? इट कैन अल्टर इट्स status, that means private status into a public status very easily, but it has to follow some steps for converting the company. क्या क्या है? Conversion by default and conversion by choice. Conversion by default क्या है? Section 2 subsection 68 imposes or gives some privileges to the private company. अगर ये privileges जो वो enjoy कर रहे हैं उसमें उनसे कोई ये हो जाती गलती हो जाती है, then what happens, it automatically converted into a public company. ठीक है? और conversion by choice, ये conversion by choice कब होता है? board of directors decide to convert it private company into public company, and these are the steps which must be taken by the board of directors for converting its private company into public company. So let us see what are the stages which must be taken to convert the public company into a private company. So there are some provisions which are mentioned under the Companies Act 2013 for changing the status of public company into a private company. As I said you earlier, क्या होता है? Private company into public company करनी है तो there are fewer provisions regarding the conversion. There is no need to take the prior approval of the central government. But when you want to convert your public company into private company, you have to follow certain steps. First, ensuring the possibility of conversion. First is ensuring the possibility of conversion. What does it mean? क्या है ये? Possibility means what? जैसे कि public company है तो public company, you all know that there are no restrictions on the number of members in case of public company. क्या होता है? कितने भी number of members can be in a public limited company, but private company में कितने होने चाहिए? Not more than 200. लेकिन ये जो public company which you want to convert into private company has more than 200 members, क्या होगा? They must willfully leave the company as a member. willfully उन्होंने leave करना चाहिए. अगर कोई इसके लिए objection लेता है, then the public company cannot be converted into a private company. ठीक है? तो ये willfully जब वो अपनी consent नहीं देते हैं, then there is a big hurdle for converting a public company into a private company. फिर क्या है? Again calling and holding the board meeting. क्या होता है? Calling and holding a board meeting. कोई भी कंपनी हो, they have to take the decision in the board meeting. बराबर है, कोई भी डिसीजन है that must be taken in board meeting and afterwards the resolutions are put before the general meeting. ठीक है, तो whether to convert the public company into a private company, that decision must be taken by board of directors in a board meeting and the pro forma for passing the resolution at the general meeting must be made at board of directors meeting. बराबर है, तो ये क्या हो रहा है, what is the purpose behind calling and holding the board meeting? To prepare a pro forma of passing of resolution for its conversion. ठीक है, कंपनी के कन्वर्शन के लिए जो प्रो फार्मा रिजोल्यूशन क्या क्या पास करना है एट जनरल मीटिंग मस्ट बी कंफर्म और मस्ट बी गेट रेडी एट बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स मीटिंग. ठीक है, देन पासिंग ऑफ रिजोल्यूशन. अब क्या करना है आपको, वेयर यू विल पास द रिजोल्यूशन, ओनली एट जनरल मीटिंग. देखिए, बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स की मीटिंग में हो रहा है, वहाँ पे यू प्रिपेयर द प्रो फार्मा, लेकिन एक्चुअली रिजोल्यूशन पास कहाँ पे होता है, इन अ जनरल मीटिंग. क्या है, स्पेशल रिजोल्यूशन करना पड़ेगा, इट हैज टू पास द स्पेशल रिजोल्यूशन. आगे स्पेशल रिजोल्यूशन क्यों पास करना पड़ेगा, जैसे कि सेक्शन 2 सबसेक्शन 68 में जो रेस्ट्रिक्शंस इम्पोज किए हैं दैट मस्ट बी इंक्लूडेड इन द आर्टिकल्स ऑफ द पब्लिक कंपनी. अभी जो पब्लिक कंपनी है विच वांट्स टू गेट इट्स कन्वर्टेड इनटू प्राइवेट कंपनी, उन्हें क्या करना है, ये जो privileges which are enjoyed by the private company must be incorporated in its articles, and for that purpose it has to pass the special resolution. Again, special resolution must be passed for resolution to conversion. क्या करना है, एक special resolution और पास करना पड़ेगा. For what purpose? Converting the public company into private company. ये प्राइवेट कंपनी में कन्वर्ट करना है, then it needs to pass a special resolution. क्यों? Because the members may object on its conversion. देखिए, मेंबर्स को ऑब्जेक्शन हो सकता है, डायरेक्टर्स को ऑब्जेक्शन हो सकता है, कितने सारे जो स्टेक होल्डर्स है दे में ऑब्जेक्ट ऑन कन्वर्शन ऑफ पब्लिक कंपनी टू प्राइवेट कंपनी. ठीक है, क्योंकि ये इनका जो स्कोप रहेगा वो कैसे होने वाला है, एज इट इज अ प्राइवेट कंपनी इट विल बिकम नैरोअर दैन द पब्लिक कंपनी. ठीक है, पब्लिक कंपनी जब प्राइवेट हो जाती है तो बहुत सारे रेस्ट्रिक्शंस आर इम्पोज्ड ऑन प्राइवेट कंपनी, और विद इन दैट रेस्ट्रिक्शंस इट हैज टू कैरी इट्स बिजनेस, and for such a conversion it must have to pass the special resolution at the general meeting. Then approval from the tribunal. Approval from tribunal. What type of approval must be taken from the tribunal? From the tribunal, it must get prior approval for converting its public company into a private company. उन्हें लेना ही होता है, जब तक कि अप्रूवल ट्रिब्यूनल से नहीं मिलता है इट कैन नॉट चेंज इट्स स्टेटस फ्रॉम पब्लिक कंपनी टू प्राइवेट कंपनी. लेकिन इसके लिए भी उन्होंने कहा है 14 सबसेक्शन 1 में बताया हुआ है कि इट हैज़ टू टेक द अप्रूवल फ्रॉम ट्रिब्यूनल. लेकिन मैं एक बात यहाँ पे बताना चाहती हूँ कि MCA ने बताया था कि इट हैज़ टू टेक द अप्रूवल फ्रॉम द ट्रिब्यूनल अंडर सेक्शन 14 सबसेक्शन 1, लेकिन 1 अप्रैल 2014 तक के ट्रिब्यूनल ने इस तरह के कोई किसी भी इसके लिए अप्रूवल नहीं दी थी. इसलिए MCA ने कहा कि अब ये दिस राइट इज नॉट विद द that means tribunal but it rests with the government. So ये इन्होंने अपने जो उन्हें राइट दिया था इसका इम्प्लीकेशन ना करने की वजह से ये रिवर्ट बैक टू गवर्नमेंट हुआ, एंड नाउ इट इज कंपल्सरी फॉर द कंपनी टू टेक द प्रायर अप्रूवल फ्रॉम द सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट. देन सीजेशन ऑफ पब्लिक कंपनी, जैसे हमने देखा कि प्राइवेट कंपनी सीजेशन दैट मीन्स इट लूजेस द स्टेटस ऑफ प्राइवेट कंपनी In the same way, the public company ceases to be a public company. अब ये क्या हो जाएगी? अभी ये प्राइवेट कंपनी होगी. कब होगी? When the central government approves its application. From that date, it loses the status of public company. And then alteration in articles. Accordingly, you have to alter the articles. Alteration in articles. क्या हो रहा है? जैसे now you had to impose restrictions from accepting the deposits, from transferring the shares, from inviting the general public. ये पूरे के पूरे आपको जो restrictions है प्राइवेट कंपनी के लिए you have to incorporate in your articles, and accordingly you have to alter your articles and gets it printed and filed with the registrar. And these documents must be filed with the registrar, and then you have to add the word private in your company's name. बराबर है? क्या करोगे आप? कौन सा नेम ऐड करोगे? प्राइवेट. ये word you have to add in your company's name, and then public notice of change of name shall be given. ठीक है? ये जो है आपको that means public company जब change हो जाती है into private company, it has to notify. That means you have to give the public notice to that effect. So it is very easy to convert your private company into public company, but it is little bit difficult to convert your public company into a private limited company. Okay? Thank you very much.